Similar to us, plants also require a balanced diet for their peak growth. But that's not all. Sunlight, water, and appropriate temperature are also pivotal. Welcome to Understanding Fertilizers, a comprehensive plant nutrition guide. Fertilizers, the equivalent of multivitamins for your plants, satisfy their nutritional cravings. They are packed with numerous essential nutrients, primarily nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and importantly, secondary nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, and micronutrients such as iron, manganese, zinc, copper, molybdenum, and boron. Every nutrient has a unique, essential role in plant growth and health. Nitrogen facilitates leafy growth, phosphorus bolsters strong root development, and potassium ensures the plant's overall wellness. Calcium is crucial for cell wall development and nutrient absorption, while magnesium forms part of chlorophyll, making plants green. Sulfur plays a part in forming vital plant proteins. Micronutrients, albeit required in lesser amounts, are equally crucial. Iron assists in chlorophyll production, manganese aids in photosynthesis, and zinc is necessary for growth hormones. Copper contributes to photosynthesis and respiration, molybdenum aids in nitrogen utilization, and boron is needed for cellular growth and fruit formation. However, these nutrients, while essential, are just one part of the equation. Sunlight provides the energy needed for photosynthesis, water forms the lifeblood of the plant's transport system, and the right temperature ensures that the plant's metabolic processes can function optimally. Together with these factors, the right nutrients contribute to the overall health and blooming of a plant. But remember, maintaining a balance is always crucial. Excess of anything beneficial can become harmful. Whether organic or synthetic, choose what's best for your garden. Fertilizers not only nurture your plants, but also enrich the soil, facilitating the growth of beneficial microorganisms. They empower your plants to resist diseases, withstand stress, and yield more. So, keep your plants well-nourished, healthy, blooming, and in the right environment. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily plant content. Until our next rendezvous, happy gardening!